Rain won't stop, so it's raining cow and goats in our beautiful city, and I'm not willing to hide in the shade again now, so found myself walking, but at least there is the joy of walking in the rain. When we were small, we used to sing a song. Yeah, there's a song we used to sing in the rain. We like to come out in the rain. It used to be, you see, it's almost everywhere. It's not the most enjoyable time of walking, but yeah, what do we do? I've been waiting for the rain to stop, but it won't stop, so I walk in it. I see people hiding from it, but it's not subsiding. So everybody is struggling to walk on it. So I say to their people that we survive on it. I'm warm. I'm wearing a warm thing. So let's keep going. Oh, damn. People can, there's water coming all over. I will get there finally. Yeah, but that's it. That's Leeds for you. Very wet, raining cow and goats. It's not good. It's not good looking. But at least be able to get home. Finally, I'll make it home. In the rain. People use public transport. They are alright. Those who walk, I'm just about home. Not that it's too far. Only that I'm ready to wait until the rain stops. Yeah. This is our bus station down there, where all these buses are going. That's why you can see so many buses at this time of the evening. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna get the passengers on. But I don't live far to use a bus, so I'm just enjoying myself in the rain. And it's raining. It is raining. The rain. Let's enjoy the rain. Let's enjoy the rain. Let's enjoy the rain. Yeah, we've had enough of the rain. Now at least you know. You don't see me updating, at least start asking questions. Did the rain defeat him? It will not beat me, but at least I will remember I was in the rain. In the rain, in the rain. Yeah. At least you can see our Leeds City here. With me. There is peace. The rain, the rain, the rain. Yeah, Jamu. No, it's all right. Yeah, I'm not far from home. I'm just walking. I like, but the rain just made me think of capturing such moments. The days you remember, you say, wow. This is our Leeds City. So when you come, if you're coming as we agreed, this is where we'll be starting our journey. This is the middle of Leeds City Center. That's the bus station over there. This is the main interchange. It's a railway right there. Start there, see the vehicles and the two buses lining up there. Yeah, there they are, our buses. Number 16, number 16. Anyway, we call it the peak time. They are now picking people coming from work. That one there is going, yeah, those two there are going to the bus station. But everybody else, apart from me, who is walking home, is using the public transport. But I don't leave fast, so I'm just gonna walk in this rain, and then I see. But I saw Sema. I see you there. Wow, wow, wow! I almost washed me with water. Guys, come on, drive slowly. I don't want to get home wet. I can't afford to go and shower. But yep, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. Let's cross the road before this other buses get here. Yeah, those people who are targeting to come to Leeds, this is one of the main hotels close to bus station, train station, and the city center. Yeah, you can start booking. Just go online and type Ibis Budget Hotel, or there's Gateway, and you'll not be far. Then there's another one down there. There's quite a number of hotels here. All these are looms. I'll let you see. So if you are looking to come to this beautiful country of ours, you don't have to go far. You can even tell me and I can organize for you a loom. All you need is to tell the Mzungu that you got a loom sorted, you need to come and visit. You can see there is a train there. So it's not far from the train station. It's a very nice place for anybody wanting. Yeah, and that's under that loop is the bus station. So, as I said, you're coming to Leeds, you are sorted. Close to everything. Nothing to worry. But again, as well, you can have me. I can organize everything for you. Keep walking. At least the rain is gone now. It's a bit warm. But there's the other main road there. At least now I'm getting home. I'm just walking. Hello! Keep getting people confusing me with Will I Am. Yeah? I'm gonna have to check that car and see who it was who was looking at me. So road transport in this area. Let's cross the road as these cars come running. Anyway, the good thing about here is that the traffic lights work. I'm gonna cross this one here because there's no car, though they can come anytime and sweep me off the road. And that I'm supposed to do now. I like to see cars going, so I capture videos just for fun of cars. So I've always told you I'm a fast driver. It's one of the things I like. just to go and watch cars swooping by. So there we go. Now we come out of town. Now to, as I said, all those are looms. If you're looking for a hotel in Leeds, get in touch. That's called Gateway. It has more than 600 rooms. Anybody wanting to come to UK, get yourself one. The Msungu won't deny you a visa if you got a room already booked. And then you can even hire me as your chauffeur. I'm one of the best drivers known in heaven and in earth and in hell. They all can tell you. So if you had to come here and you hire me, you'll be guaranteed a fairly good cruise. The driving is perfect to none. So yeah, there I was trying to tell you why you need to book your holidays in our city, Leeds. It's a beautiful place to be, and at least, of course, you have me to come and see. I'll be your chauffeur, and I'll show you around. And not far from here, even if you are looking for anything else, if you want to come and study, one of the best universities in this country, the University of Leeds. So it's a walking distance for me. You can see, this is now our estate. So I'm just getting home now. Our ambulances are just 2 minutes away from where I live. Anyway, God forbid I don't want to be sick, but at least if I was to ever be sick, it will take a second for the ambulance to be on my door. That's the good thing of living near town. Yeah. Anyway, still fairly wet. That is one thing you should all see. Glashita North, did you sort your issues, or what's happening now? Are you still in Milton Keynes, London, or where? You did not come back to me to let me know whether to speak to Rebecca. You let me know that before the end of the day. Did you get the documents? Were they sent? Were they scanned? What did you agree with your mister? Yeah, those who have seen my photos before, you can see that flat. Whenever you see the blue, you know that's where I live. So just go home. That's our car park there, where I told you I'm one of the best drivers who park according to the rules. I like blowing my own trumpet. Who else will do that? If you can't do it yourself, who else will do it for you? So anyway, I've got home now. I've just come from the printing. I told you I got someone who will be doing my promotion. So I'll show you the printing. Just before I hang up this, should be there. I've just had this printed for that. So I'm gonna make arrangements now. Get them to okay, anyway. See you later, guys. I need to open my door.